on, let me just hasn't been set up to show, but
Oh, this is fantastic. Again.
like this one. It has the little reading bit here. The books haven't gone up yet. You sit here and read your book. You look like greenery.
Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, reflection of me.
It's got the door access to the balcony. I like this one, so I always feel it's a little bit more private.
So, yeah, another. We got jacuzzi going on
Yeah, every single room has
with a free gecko.
Yeah.
We like the geckos. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, this is so nice. And it's still quite private from the people next door. They can see in, and you got views straight across from Lombok. Oh,
Just there is Rinjani, most famous mountain in Indonesia now.
well, looking at me, I'm not a mountain kind of guy, you know.
Neither am I, but it's a beautiful thing to look at in the morning.
Yeah, I know, yeah, yeah.
Sunrise is here and it just comes over the mountain. It's absolutely fantastic. Absolutely.
Wow. Oh, thank you so much for showing me around.
No problem at all, man.
It's my. We were in Gili Air last week when the monsoon seed was in the ocean,
Yeah.
and the rain was crazy.
It has been a little bit nuts the last few days, but it's okay.